If you want a tea to heal your body, here's a powerful combination to try. A tea made from purple onion, thyme, and mullein. Here are 6 benefits when you consume this tea. Number 1, it reduces inflammation in the body. Number 2, it boosts the immune system. Number 3, it alleviates coughs. Number 4, it helps the body to fight against infections. Number 5, it helps with wheezing. And number 6, it detoxifies the lungs. Start drinking 1 to 3 cups a day. If you would like this herbal remedy teacup and the mullein, visit EliaMashiachHerbalStore.com.